Close your eyes and imagine this. You have a mountain of books in front of you. Your exams are tomorrow. You promised yourself that tonight, you will finish it all. But then, it starts. A loud TV in the next room. The constant honking of cars outside. The chatter of people passing by. Every sound feels like a hammer hitting your concentration. You feel frustrated. You feel like a victim of your environment. But what if I told you that the problem isn't the noise outside? The problem is the lack of a mental fortress inside. Today, we dive deep into the science of focusing in chaos. We often wait for the perfect silent moment to study. But the truth is, absolute silence doesn't exist. Even in a library, a pen dropping can distract you. Why? Because your brain is hypervigilant. It is looking for distractions. Have you ever heard of the coffee shop effect? Some of the greatest minds in history wrote masterpieces in noisy cafes. They used a psychological trick called selective auditory attention. It is the ability to tune out the world, and it is a muscle you can train. Most people use white noise, but for deep study, brown noise is the secret weapon. It has a deeper frequency, like the roar of a distant ocean or a low thunder. It creates a sound blanket that masks sudden high-pitched noises like voices or horns. Next time you sit to study, do not play music with lyrics. Lyrics engage your language processing brain, which makes you tired. Play brown noise instead. It satisfies the ears but leaves the mind free for the books. When noise distracts you, your mind leaves your body and goes toward the sound. You need to pull it back. Use the 3-2-1 method. Look at 3 things in your book. Feel 2 things, like the weight of your pen or the chair beneath you. Finally, focus on 1 smell or your own breathing. By grounding your senses, you tell your brain that the real world is right here on your desk, and the noise outside is just background data that does not matter. The legendary Stoic philosopher Marcus Aurelius once said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." Realize this, and you will find strength. Noise is an outside event. Your reaction to it is your choice. If you say, "I cannot study because of this noise," you have already lost. But if you say, "This noise is my training ground," you become unstoppable. The world will never be silent for you. You have to create the silence within. If this audiobook helped you find your focus today, share it with a friend who struggles to study. Remember, focus is not a gift, it is a practice. Keep practicing.